I'm picking up a very late breakfast for my daughter at Everyday Coffee in Sandringham this morning. She's a big salmon fan, so she's getting the IKEA bagel, which is salmon and cream cheese. We're back at the scene of my very first YouTube video. We're out at IKEA and it is a school holiday, so me and my daughter thought we'd come out for a wee trip, and we've got a few things on our list. This could be good to replace the storage we have out on our deck. So it's quite good. This is metal. 129. This is 2 side by side. 1, 2. I love this green. Oh, I like this. Look how cool these are. They're very fun. I like these big, like, heavy sinks, ceramic sinks. This would be really nice for my daughter to have for her art and stuff. And have all the storage underneath. Da, 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 da. It's actually quite a cute dress. Display only. I always find it hilarious that these tags are twice the size of some of the items. It's got 4 tags that are bigger than the actual item. I'm gonna get some of these coat hangers because the kids' coat hangers my daughter has are just a little bit too small now. I think these will probably be a good in-between. $3.50 for 8. We're gonna get 4 of these for our dining chairs because they're like a metal and they're really cold, and at the moment we've just got really dirty old mismatched cushions. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. 3, 4. Maybe I'll swap that one because people have been touching that one. Okay. They have these really handy screens throughout IKEA where you can search for what you're looking for, find out more detail like measurements and colorways, and then it'll tell you where to find it. Location 23. Aisle 1, location 17. That's the one. I need a number 1 and a number 2. Okay, now aisle 4. Okay, this is the next item. Looks like it's just one piece. It seems like a strange shape, but this is the one. Oh. It's been a couple of days and we've managed to set everything up. This is the new laundry cabinet. It's not that pretty, but it's functional. Then I put the cushions on the new chairs, which I think actually made a really big difference and it looks a lot smarter. The hallway was my biggest challenge, and I think this works really well with the cabinet and the hat stand next to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!